What is going on, everybody? If you enjoyed that drone shot, make sure to like this video. And today we do have the brand new Yeezy Zyon. Before we open up this box, I am doing a sneak giveaway when I hit 3,000 subscribers. I'll be giving away this shoe right here. It's an NMD R1 V2 and a 9.5, and even if you aren't a 9.5, these are dead stock, so you can sell them on StockX. So you might as well just go ahead and sign up. Remember the link in the description at the end of the video. Alright guys, so it has been a minute since I've gotten a new Yeezy in, and I actually do have 2 more Yeezys coming in, like probably next week we'll have those videos out. But this is the Yeezy Zyon. We managed to cop 1 pair. Unfortunately, it is not in my size. It is in my brother's size, so we'll have to get him to do some on-foot stuff. But yeah, I'm really excited to actually see what the sneaker looks like in person, because everyone's all hyped up about it, and in the pictures I don't really see what's that special about it. But we're about to see what I actually think about this, and today we're using a big hunting knife to open up this box. Now, I did read those comments to where people want me to open up the boxes with different stuff. You know, like what Connor TV does, and you know, I watch him too, but I think I'm just gonna stick, like, I have a bunch of knives, so I'll try to use a different knife in like every single video that I have a box. Okay, so here we go, 350 right there, and it's actually a very tight fit. There's like barely any room in this box. I did notice that the box was smaller, and that's just because we have a smaller size. I'm used to it being in like the regular Adidas boxes. So we have 350 Boost right there, and then the label right there, Yeezy Boost 350, made by Adidas, and then we have the little Adidas logo right there, and then yeah, the same thing on that side. Alright, now let's go ahead and open these things up. Okay. I do see why a lot of people like them now. Now that I have them in hand, they're a lot better. Wow. Okay, so we have like this new card right here. I don't know if this is like something new that they're doing, but yeah, let's go ahead and get both of the shoes out and get some like closer looks at them on the camera. Can we get an easy fart? Okay, so here we go. Here's the shoes. Let me go ahead and take this stuff out so we can get the structure of the shoe a little better. Man, these seem so small. Like, I'm so used to bigger Yeezys. Okay, so I guess we'll just go ahead and start looking at like all the different colors and everything about this shoe. So let's go ahead and start out on one of the most noticeable things, is this stripe right here. So I know in pictures and on camera it may seem a little brown. Let's get it to focus, and you know, it actually does have a red burgundy tone to it, just in different types of lighting. So I'm sure if you go take it outside, you can really see the red in it, and I'm pretty sure it's around the same exact color as all of this brownish burgundy red. Again, we can go get some shots outside of these shoes. And another really noticeable thing is the gum outsole that swoops up right here. You know, I really like that. It's kind of like the zebras, like the older zebras. These are actually really nice. Like, I like these a lot more in hand than I did in pictures, and I don't know if that's just like Like, having a Yeezy in hand is definitely a lot different than just seeing it. And also, guys, on the laces, they're like more bungee, like they're stretchy. Whoa, that's weird. We have like stretchy laces now. I don't know what that's about, but definitely different laces than regular Yeezys. Now let's go ahead and take out the insoles of these. I usually wear my Yeezys without an insole. You know, so if I ever want to sell them, I'll have a nice clean insole, and it just feels more comfortable without the insole. So, yeah, this is pretty much the same exact color as the color on the upper and the inside of the shoe. And of course it says Yeezy. So on this shoe, this is the very first one with this type of stitching. It is different than the newer stitchings that we've had. Now this is the newest one, and I personally did not like it in the photos, but now in person, you know, it's really not that bad. I feel like it is a lot more bold, like it's more bolder than other stitchings, but it is flat and it does not bulge, so I like that. You know, I have noticed on Yeezys to where they have the traditional Yeezy stitching, like the OG stitching, to where it'll kind of like fold up right here. I'm gonna get my Yeezy to show you guys what I'm talking about. It kind of like, it comes down and then it like has a hump right there. You know, that's from like this bulgy stitching. So I'm glad they're trying to fix that and change it up a little bit. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much everything about the shoe. We're gonna go get some on-foot footage of this and different footage of it outside, just to see the natural light hitting on all these different colors. But yeah, tell me in the comments below if you guys like this sneaker. I personally like it a lot more now that it's in person, but I want to hear your guys' thoughts about this, and you know, tell me if I should get my size so I can wear them. Yeah, let's go ahead and see what they look like outside and on foot. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, obviously make sure to give this video a like. And remember, I have the sneaker giveaway happening. So there will be a link in the description. So make sure you go ahead and check that out right now. But yeah, I spent a lot of time on this video, so I would appreciate it if you give this video a like. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. But as always, thank you guys for watching.